Hi guys, we're going to try something different with spelling this week. I wanted to make sure that you're getting enough practice and that you're practicing all the skills. And we actually had some training and they showed us some things on Friday. So I want everyone to do the pre-test for Reading Horizons this today, and then I will decide after seeing how you do today how we'll proceed with spelling the rest of this week. But I think it'll be a lot funner than just writing down the words and trying to remember what the words are. But the first thing we're going to do is do this pre-test. And so I copied some sheets, pre-test sheets for you, because this will help me kind of know what you needed to do, what you needed to fix, or what you need to practice before the real test on Friday. This pre-test doesn't go on your grade, so you can just do what you think is best. And then the one that will go on your grade, you'll get that one after we've practiced this week. So on this pre-test sheet, the first thing you need to do is write your name. So if you'll write your name, let me bring up the right one. Okay. This is the one that I want to write on. Okay, so you'll write your name. Try to use the fence line on the dotted line to do really nice handwriting. You can look at the board for the date. When I recorded this, it was October 12th, so I'm going to do 10/12. So if that's the date it is, you can write that date. And we are doing pre-test number 2, so you can write 2 on that date. You don't need to worry about this with this week's words. We'll worry about prefixes and suffixes as we continue to learn different Reading Horizons skills. But you don't need to worry about that right now. We're just going to practice some Reading Horizons words and on the areas that we are working on this week. So we've learned a lot of different things since the blends, since the San Francisco Zoo rule, since the plurals, but this week in spelling, those are the things we're working on. So although we're working on different things with our phonics practice, in spelling, we're focusing on blends, San Francisco Zoo rule, and plurals. So the very first blend that I want you to write on number 1 is plum. Plum. And I want you to make sure that you mark it as well. On number 2, right here on number 2 is where you should be writing. You'll write the word twin, twin. So plum was right here and twin is right here. And you can hit pause as you're writing and marking those words so you don't miss anything. Number 3, right here on number 3, you'll write the word strap, strap. He used a strap for his backpack, strap. Number 4, right here on number 4, write buzz. There was a lot of buzz about the field trip, buzz. And then on number 5, write boxes, boxes, and make sure to mark it. So you should mark and spell each word. If you've made a mistake, there's this make corrections place over here that you can rewrite the word, or if you want to write it 2 ways, like if you're not sure if stuff has a PH or an FF, you could write it both ways and see which way looked right. And then if you wanted it this way, you could just cross out the one you don't want, and I'll just correct the one that you do want. And then, of course, you'll want to make sure that you mark it correctly as well. Okay, so go ahead and hit pause while you look at your 1 through 5 section right here. And if you need to make any corrections, you can do that there. but we're not done yet. So just hit pause and then come back. Okay, so hopefully you have the words written the way that you want to have them written. Now we're going to do this dictation sentence. On Thursdays, we do 2 sentences on our spelling test, but on Mondays on our pretest, we're just going to do 1 sentence. So I'm going to read it to you, and you can hit pause while you write it. I have to give my mom a hug. I have to give my mom a hug. Listen closely. I have to give my mom a hug. Okay, make sure that you didn't forget anything on your sentences. Check your punctuation and capitalization as well. Okay, now you're going to turn your paper over. So you're going to be on the back, and I want you to write our 5 heart words, and I want you to try to put the hearts where they go. So I'm not going to tell you where they go. I just want to see what you can do on your own. So you should be at the back of your page for this one. So you'll go to the back of your page, and the first heart word you're going to write is have. I have excellent students, have. And make sure you heart the word. Your next word is give. I give my best to my students every day. Give. So go ahead and heart that one. And remember, you can always pause or back up if I'm going too fast. The next heart word I want you to write is live. I live on Main Street. Live. And the last heart word that I want you to write is to. Oh, sorry. There's 2 more heart words. So write to. So you should have, give, live, and to wrote. All of them should have a heart on them somewhere. And then I want you to write 1 more word, and that last word is do. Do. So your heart words on the back of your pretest should say have, give, live, to, do, and there should be a heart on each of those. Double check everything. I do want you to do your very best, and then take your sheet to Miss Hackney, and she'll give you a Reading Horizon sheet.